Now to get to know the formula for adding first n terms of an AP, let us take some random examples. Let me take some examples. With the help of example, we will derive formulas so that it will remain in your mind forever. Let us take first example of an AP. Any AP I may take. Let this be an AP. I'm just taking the finite number of terms for the time being. So how many terms I have taken? 5.
Ma'am, 5 terms.
Beta, when I say A5, that means nth term, that is fifth term. Okay? But when I will say S5, that would mean sum of first 5 terms. This would mean sum of first 5 terms, starting from the first term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the meaning of S5. We write capital S and all. So now, for example, for this particular AP, let us find S5. What is S5 going to be? Will it be 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, instead of adding it like this, suppose I prefer to add it in the reverse order. What do you think, children? The sum will remain same or sum will get different?
Ma'am, remain same.
Remain same. This is also S5. G. Now I am adding these two. S5 plus S5 becomes
S2S5.
2S5. Now let's see the magic. Instead of adding all the numbers together, let me add them vertically, pairwise. What is 3 plus 15?
18.
18.
6 plus 12?
18.
18.
9 plus 9?
18.
18.
12 plus 6 again 18.
18.
Can you see the beautiful pattern being formed? Can you see the beautiful pattern being formed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sum of all the terms, reversed AP and the direct AP. This vertical sum is same. So may I please write it as 2 times S5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 18 beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
G? Does it mean that S5 is equal to 5 upon 2 into 18?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
can I write, instead of this 18, can I write 3 plus 15? Which is the sum of the
Yes.
first and the last term of the given AP.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
this was
Yes,
one
ma'am.
example. This is just one example. Let me give you another example to get her to understand things in a better way. Abhi, I have taken odd number of terms, 5 terms. Let us take 6 terms, 7 terms, 8 terms, as many as you want. Would you like to give me one AP? Any one of you? Give me any 6 terms, first 6 terms of an AP. Anybody?
Ma'am, 5.
Okay.
Ma'am, 5, 10, 15, 20, that only.
Okay, you want to take the table of 5. Okay, never mind. I'm taking even number of terms. I've taken 6, I can take 8, 4, 10, anyone, because odd, even, we should be clear. So now, since there are 6 terms, what would be S6, children? Sorry.
Ma'am, there are only 5 terms because you wrote 20 twice.
Sorry. 25, 30. So will it be 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And now I'm going to reverse it. So 30 plus 25 plus 20. G, this is also S6. Now adding them, is it 2 times S6? What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the vertical sum? Pairwise vertical sum.
35.
35,
35.
35, 35, 35, Right, beta? Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, likewise, can you say 2 into S6. How many times is 35 repeated?
6.
6
So
times.
that would mean 6 into 35. Adding 35 6 times means 6 times 35. G beta. So this give me S6 is equal to 6 upon 2 into 35. And further, how can I write this 35? Can I write it again as
5
the sum
plus
of
30.
the last
5
term?
plus 30.
5 plus 30.
30.
5. 5 plus 35. So just
Ma'am,
see
Ma'am,
5
to it.
30.
plus 30.
Ma'am,
5
5
plus
plus
30.
30.
Right. Now just see to it. In both the APs, we are getting a pattern. We are getting S5 is equal to 5 upon 2, 3 plus 15, which is nothing but A1 upon AN, A1 plus AN. And also, in this AP, S6 is 6 upon 2, 5 plus 30, which is again A1 plus AN beta. Now, what is the relation between these two?
Ma'am, the number of terms
Ma'am, the
is
NN by
Yes.
2.
represented. That by 2.
So, can I say Sn, that is sum of any number of terms, would be
Ma'am,
equal
N
to
by 2.
number of terms
N
divided
by
by
2.
2, which
By
is
2.
A1
A1 plus
plus.
AN.
So this is the formula for the first n terms of an AP. N divided by 2 multiplied by A1 plus AN. Multiplied by A1 plus AN. Now, in certain cases, beta, we may not be given a finite AP, but infinite one. अगर हमें infinite AP given है, finite नहीं given. So from where will we get AN? From
Ma'am,
where
through
will
the
we get
first
class?
formula. Through the first formula.
Yes, very correct. So through the first formula of AN. We know the first formula of AN. What is
A1 plus
AN?
N minus
A1
1.
plus N minus 1 to D.
A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Is that okay? So now
Yes.
simplifying it. A1
Two
plus
A1.
A1 becomes.
2A1 plus N minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the formula for finding sum of n terms. So either of these two formulas can be used as per the need. As per the need. Are you with me, children? I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
taken
Yes, ma'am.
just two APs.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can take any number of APs of your choice. You may take any number of APs example. You will always find the beautiful pattern that the vertical sum is going to be same. So I will just write like A1, A2, A3, so on, be an AP with common difference D. Then sum of first n terms is given by this or this. Is that okay, children? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, keeping this formula in mind, children, let us see how to find sum of first n natural numbers. What is the list of natural numbers?
0,
1, 2, 3, 4, and so on.
Somebody said 0. 0 is not a natural number. Natural number. Numbers are also counting number. That is the numbers which come to your mind when you start counting. Do you start counting by 0? So whoever said 0, please clear it. 0 is not a natural number. So what is the AP of natural numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2,
and
3, 4, 5.
infinity.
So on. So what is A1 here? 1.
1.
1.
What is D beta?
1.
1.
D is also 1. So let us find sum of n natural numbers here. Sum of first n natural numbers.
गाड़ी में क्या कर रहा है?
हायर क्लास में जाओगे तो आपको ये दिखेगा इट इज अ रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन लाइक
गाड़ी में नहीं जाते।
So sum of n natural numbers is n by 2, 2a1
Plus n minus 1.
ठीक है बेटा? So n as it is. In place of a1 we shall put
1.
1.
n again as it is, and in place of d also we shall put
1.
1.
1.
1.
Now n minus 1 into 1 means n
N
minus 1.
10.
It means n minus 1. Okay.
Yes.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
n by 2 in the bracket n. 2 minus 1 makes it.
1.
N plus 1.
So this is the formula to calculate sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Right. For example, suppose you want to add up numbers from 1 to 10. You have to add 1 to 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up till 10. So how are you going to do that? You simply
10
need to
by
replace
2, 10 plus.
10 by 2, 10 plus 1. That is 5 into 11, which makes it 55.
50.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And this was first done, this formula was indirectly first developed by mathematician Gauss. There is a story of Gauss. Google it later.